How to fix FordPass app not working. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. If your application is not working, first and foremost, drop your notification center and check for your Wi-Fi connection. If your Wi-Fi is acting super slow, switch into mobile data or enable your airplane mode for about 3 seconds, then disable it again. After which, connect to a better Wi-Fi connection or a cellular network. After which, open up your phone settings. In here, scroll down until you find apps and click on it. Tap on all apps. Select on the search icon and search for FordPass. Tap on Force Stop, head over to Storage and Cache and tap on Clear Cache. This will clear up any of the bug or the glitch issue. While you are in your phone setting, head back and navigate to System Update. Click on it. After which, make sure that your system is up to date so that it can support the latest version of your applications. And that is how you'll be able to fix your FordPass app not working. And it's the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.